First of all, let us offer in silence our prayers for the hundreds of children, women, and families that perished and were injured during the onslaught of Typhoon Odette. Many families of our KaBrigada in Cebu, Bacolod, Negros, Leyte, Surigao, and other affected areas are now suffering. They are homeless and nowhere to go. This year has been difficult for many families, even as the pandemic continues to be around. The suffering is made more tough by calamities brought about by unfavorable weather conditions. Today, as I report to you the status of our great company, I am grateful as you count the blessings that came your way. Remember to thank the Almighty, and remember those who are not able to partake in wonderful celebrations. Consider how fortunate we can be that despite the challenges brought by the pandemic, we are still here, alive, and able to celebrate the season with our loved ones. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. It can turn a meal into feast, a house into a home, a stranger into a friend. Gratitude turns whatever we have into enough. Moreover, gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. My fellow Brigada workers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to us all. Happy Christmas! I am delighted for this opportunity to be with you today. Are you familiar with the church hymn, Count Your Blessings? Let me quote a portion of the second verse. Are you ever burdened with a load of care? Does the cross seem heavy you are called to bear? Count your many blessings, every doubt will fly, and you will be singing as the days go by. Counting our blessings and being grateful for them has a positive impact, not just upon our lives, but upon the lives of those to whom we show our gratitude. Do you know that being mindfully grateful for our blessings and expressing gratitude has a strong correlation with increasing our personal happiness and well-being? Gratitude appears to be a very obvious emotion, lacking in interesting complications, like we receive a gift from friends, from relatives, family, and then we feel pleasurably grateful. But while the emotion seems simplistic, gratitude is deeper, more complex phenomenon that plays a critical role in human happiness. Gratitude is literally one of the few things that can measurably change people's lives. There are scientific proof that people who practice gratitude through activities are more loving, forgiving, and optimistic about the future. They exercise more frequently, report fewer illnesses, and generally feel better about their lives. Many of you, my beloved fellow Brigada workers, are this type of people. That is why Brigada continue to soar beyond the limits, determined in its flight to conquer the unseen like an eagle. As such, I am proud to present to you today the remarkable achievements and performance of the business units and the company in general. You are all heroes, mga kabrigada, for making 2021 a successful year for Brigada. Congratulations, everyone! Despite the challenges, we were able to win and conquer the year 2021. Here's my year-end report, our consolidated financial performance. This is the Brigada Business Hub with 80% completion in our first phase of our project in a 12-hectare property along National Highway, Barangay Mabuhay, General Santos City. Brigada Business Hub will be the new corporate headquarters of the Brigada Group of Companies, our new home, and our symbol of pride. Wow! Awesome! You are amazing, KaBrigada. In parting, let me again take this opportunity to thank you all for being with us in the Brigada journey. Indeed, gratitude is a spiritual gift and a spiritual force in our lives. May we have hearts that can feel, ears that can hear, and eyes that can see our blessings and live in continual gratitude to God and those around us. May this season bring us an experience that will open our hearts and minds to be more compassionate and be the reason that those who have less can find hope and happiness. Mabuhay ang Brigada! Mabuhay ka, KaBrigada! Be safe, everyone, and have enjoyable holidays. God bless you and be safe always. Daghan kayong salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Merry Christmas to all KaBrigada. As we celebrate tonight, let us not forget our fallen KaBrigada who were not able to join us tonight. If you can see these kids, they are the kids of Yen, si Kyle, si Kate, o si Kay. So, kung yun na mo sa Brigada, you are not only working for yourself, for your family, for your kids. We are working all together for these children. We are helping fulfill the dreams of these children. They are only representing the other kids na ginasuportahan ng Brigada. And we are very thankful sa inyong tanan for joining Brigada, for joining us, fulfill the dreams ng mga parents na nawala, and we're fulfilling the dreams of their children. Thank you so much sa inyong tanan. Let us enjoy tonight, but as I said, let us not forget Yen and other KaBrigada. We love these kids so much. We love Yen. And thank you so much sa inyong tanan. Ang inyong effort, dili kabayaran o kwarta. Thank you and thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, KaBrigada. Kayo'y nakapagbigay sa lahat ng pag-asa. Ngayong Pasko, kayo'y sapat ng regalo, mga bayani ng aming mga puso.
Bilib ko sa pagkabayani sa akong pinangga nga mga KaBrigada. You are the real heroes. You have touched so many lives in the community that you are serving. Sa panahon sa pandemya na ay mga Brigada companies and branches nato nga nagkalisod, pero ang mga Brigada employees sa uban nga mga Brigada companies nga maayo ang income, excellent ang ilang financial performance, mao ang nahimong savior sa mga kauban nga mga Brigada workers. Alang kanako, Kamo ang mga heroes ug savior sa ubang nanginahanglan tungod kay bisan pandemya, daghan ang atong expansions ug pag-hire sa bag-o nga mga empleyado. Kung dili tungod ninyo mga Brigada warriors, dili maka-provide og bag-o ug dugang job opportunities ang Brigada ngadto sa uban nga nawad-an og trabaho. While we are saving our jobs here sa Brigada, we are also opening our doors sa ubang walay katrabahuan. Salamat sa inyong kabayanihan mga kabrigada. Salamat sa inyong commitment nga mas ayuhon pa ang inyong paghatag og serbisyo sa katawhan sa tuig 2022 bisan asa sa Pilipinas nga naay Brigada. Salamat kaayo my fellow Brigada workers who for all this time believed in me, opted to stay with us despite the odds and trusted my leadership. All of you inspire me in my quest to continually help find ways to create earning job opportunities, give the kind of service that people need, and be a positive and sustainable contributor to our economy. I am grateful to the wisdom shared by my fellow Brigada workers for the 16 years of learning experience with you as we do business, mga kabrigada. You are so great. You are so amazing, mga kabrigada. Love you guys.
Maraming salamat KaBrigada.
Ano ba yung Pasko? Pasko! It's a Thanksgiving night, no? For conquering the year 2021. Congratulations sa tuwang tanan mga kabrigada for winning the year 2021. Congratulations! Salamat kaayo. Despite of the challenges no sa katong last year, then this year, second year nga naay pandemic. Natay mga kauban sa brigada dito sa Cebu and other areas na affected sa bagyong Odette, doon kaayo. Apila to sila sa itong mga prayers, no? We are so lucky, we are so blessed na makaselebrate ta o Thanksgiving karong gabi una. No? Ang uban na itong mga kauban sa brigada, uban na itong mga kabrigada, mga supporters na to, mga listeners, no? Sa brigada, sa uban ng mga lugar affected by Typhoon Odette, low and down kaayo. So, pasalamatan nato ang Ginoo para sa kanang sitwasyon na sa tuwa karong gabi una. Anyway, Thanksgiving man karong gabi una. So, take a vacation, bakasyon sa kadali karong gabi una. Forget about your problems. Mag-enjoy lang ka, mag-disco lang ka, okay na? Okay na? Diba? Enjoy lang. Wala pa mo'y tagay diha. Tingnan ang waiter nga magpatagay na mo. Dugay kayong tagay. Wala ba'y tagay? Ah! Oh, kalimtis ang problema. Let's enjoy karong gabi una. Okay. Thanksgiving mini. We work hard and party harder! Work hard, party harder! Okay, aminin niyo kamuray kabalo mo kanta ko. Sa iyong inaakala, nahiyon ang itaw, gayong ako ay lagi. Sayo kayo! Kapag sa'yo sinta,
KaBrigada, here's to all our pinalanggang KaBrigada. May the best of our today be the worst of our future. Cheers!